Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to track your RIA money transfer in 2025. So in order to do it, first of all, you will have to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for RIA money transfer. Now, once you search for it, you will find the official link of RIA money transfer, that is riamoneytransfer.com. So you need to simply click on that and you will be landed on the official website of RIA money transfer. Now over here, if you have an account on RIA Money, I would recommend you to first of all log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you should be registered at RIA Money in order to get the tracking ID. Now in order to track your transfer, you just have to simply select this third tab, that is track a transfer, and then you will be landed on this page. So you can find the status of any transfer by just entering your PIN or your order number. So here in this section, you will have to provide that PIN or the order number, and after that you need to click on this track transfer option. If you don't know where you can find your PIN or order number, you can just click on this option and you can see it is showing you this pop-up. So it is on the confirmation email. It's also in your activity feed. Just select the details. If you have purchased or your transfers in store, it will be on your printed receipt. So you can find the PIN or the order number from these two places, and then you can put it over here and click on the track transfer option. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching.